This week in the frame shop, Isabel at Streetlights Residential asked if we could frame some crinkled fabric. Well, I don't even know what that looks like, but she volunteered to come over and help out, and together we did it. We had some bubble pack and other packing materials kind of laying around. So we've actually got some bubble pack under parts of this to add a little more structure. Turned out really cool, beautiful fabric. So it's got some kind of gold, sparkly threads running through it. So I'm gonna do a few last minute touch-ups here before we send this out. Isabel had so much fun doing this that she asked if she could be our intern. And so, yes, Isabel, you got the job. So bring us your ideas. We will execute it, make it look fantastic like these pieces. And I will see you next time in the frame shop.